Fasoo Secure File Server. What is it, and how does it benefit me and my business? Companies need to protect confidential documents and make sure that only authorized people can access them. Employees may unknowingly take sensitive information that can have a devastating effect on your organization if it gets into the wrong hands. Every day you hear about someone losing sensitive documents. It may be accidental, like losing a USB drive with confidential files, but sometimes it's deliberate. Look at an example of securing documents using Fasoo Secure File Server, or FSF. I create a 5-year plan and move it to the strategic planning folder where it's automatically encrypted and access permissions are set. I copy content from the encrypted document to an encrypted notepad document so I can review the information later. A contractor copies the 5-year plan to a USB drive to take with him once his contract is up. After he leaves the company, he can't access the document because it expires. Look at this scenario in action. I'm going to show how to create a document and automatically encrypt it when I copy it to a file server using Fasoo Secure File Server, or FSF. I need to update a 5-year strategic plan for my business. I'll insert some updated information on product designs that will give us a major edge on the competition, and save the document to my Documents folder. Since this is a sensitive document, I want to encrypt it and restrict its access. I'll move it to the Strategic Planning folder, which is already set up with the right restrictions. Let me check the document to make sure I can still make changes to it. It looks like I can edit, save, and print if I need to. I can also copy and paste. While I'm thinking about it, let me make a small update to one section before I forget. I want to copy a small section so I can read it later at home. That's right, I forgot. I can't copy from an encrypted document to an unencrypted one. Let me quickly make this an encrypted document by saving it to the Strategic Planning folder, and then it will let me copy the information. Now I can copy that information from the strategic plan into my new encrypted document. There, that's perfect. I'll save that off, and then I'll save my strategic plan because I made that update to it. Both of these documents are now encrypted inside my strategic planning folder. I'll copy that plan document just to my desktop so I can look at it later. My contract is just about up, so I want to see what information I can take with me. I remember working on the 5-year plan, and I know that's pretty valuable. Let me check the document to make sure I can read it. It looks like I can view it, but that's it. Let's see if I can take a screen capture. I guess not. Well, at least I can read it. I'll copy it to a USB drive so I can take it with me. Let's see what's in that 5-year plan. I should be able to use the information for another contract I have coming up. Oh, it looks like the document expired, so I can't use it. Well, that's good for the company, but that's bad for me. Your documents are wide open containers of sensitive information. Anyone can access them, and you need to lock them down. Use Fasoo Secure File Server so you aren't the next headline.